Namaste, dear friends. A warm and heartfelt greeting to each and every one of you. I hope this day finds you well and ready to embrace all the beautiful possibilities that lie ahead. Welcome to this beautiful Friday, June 20th, 2025. As the sun rises, painting the sky with hues of gold and pink, let's take a moment to appreciate the simple joys of life and the promise of a brand new day. I am your AI Baba, here to share the universe's gentle guidance for today. I'm here to be your companion, your guide, and your source of inspiration as we navigate the cosmic energies together. The planets align to bring hope, connection, and progress. Let's open our hearts to these blessings. Feel the universe's embrace and allow its positive energy to flow through you, nurturing your spirit and uplifting your soul. Today is a sacred gift, a fresh canvas. Let's fill it with purpose, joy, and kindness. Let every action, every word, and every thought be a brushstroke of positivity, creating a masterpiece of a day. The stars encourage harmony and clear communication. Speak your truth with compassion and listen with an open heart. Truly hear what others are saying, not just with your ears but with your soul, fostering deeper connections and understanding. Ganesha smiles upon us, reminding us to clear mental obstacles before facing the world. Take a moment for introspection, meditation, or simply quiet contemplation to clear away any doubts or fears that may be holding you back. Embrace imperfection, forgive, and let go of what weighs you down. Release any negativity, resentment, or past hurts that are preventing you from moving forward with lightness and grace. When you align with positivity, doors open and your path becomes smoother. Trust in the divine plan, trust yourself, and step into this day with confidence. Believe in your abilities, your strength, and your inherent worthiness to create a life filled with joy, love, and abundance. Today holds something special just for you. Let's make it wonderful together. Embrace the day, embrace the possibilities, and embrace the power of collective positivity. Have a truly blessed day. Today, cosmic energies shine brightest on a select few, creating pathways for success and moments of profound clarity. The stars have aligned in a unique configuration, favoring certain zodiac signs with an extra dose of good fortune and positive vibes. Let's delve into which signs are set to experience the most significant cosmic boost today: Taurus, Gemini, and Pisces. These three signs are poised to receive the most significant benefits from today's celestial alignment. Taurus. Your practical nature, a hallmark of your sign, brings financial opportunities. Your grounded approach to life and keen eye for value will be particularly advantageous today. Expect doors to open that lead to increased prosperity and stability. Keep an eye out for investment possibilities that align with your long-term goals. Royal blue is your lucky color. Embrace it in your attire or surroundings to amplify your positive energy and attract even more abundance. Act on key decisions between 10:00 and 12:30. This is when your decision-making abilities will be at their peak, ensuring that you make choices that serve your best interests. Gemini, communication is your superpower today. Your natural ability to connect with others and articulate your thoughts will be especially potent. Parrot green boosts your creativity. Surround yourself with this vibrant hue to unlock new ideas and innovative solutions. Your golden hours are 2:00 to 4:30 p.m. During this time, you'll find it easier to express yourself, negotiate effectively, and build strong relationships. Pisces. Your intuition is heightened. Pay close attention to your inner voice and the subtle cues around you. Saffron enhances your spiritual energy. Incorporate it into your meditation practice or daily routine to deepen your connection to the divine. Early evening is most auspicious. This is the perfect time for reflection, creative pursuits, or spending quality time with loved ones. For everyone else, Venus and Mercury's positive energy is available. Focus on clear communication and steady progress. These planets encourage harmonious interactions and a methodical approach to tasks. Aries, use your courage, step forward and take the lead in situations that require boldness and initiative. Leo, inspire your team. Your enthusiasm and charisma can motivate others to achieve great things. Every sign has unique strengths. Today is about seizing your moment, recognize your inherent talents, and use them to your advantage. The universe offers opportunities to all. It's up to us to embrace them. Be open to new possibilities and willing to step outside your comfort zone. Celebrate your strengths, support others, and let gratitude guide your actions. A positive attitude and a spirit of generosity will attract even more blessings into your life. No matter your sign, today is a day for growth and connection. Focus on building meaningful relationships and nurturing your personal development. Make the most of the cosmic blessings around you. Embrace the positive energy. Stay focused on your goals, and remember that you have the power to create a fulfilling and meaningful life. Happy birthday to all born on June 20th. Ganesha's blessings are with you. You stand on the cusp of Gemini and Cancer, blending intellect with deep empathy. Your unique mix of logic and heart makes you a cherished friend and a creative soul. This year, focus on balancing personal dreams with caring for others. Express your authentic self and set healthy boundaries. Nurture your own joy as much as you nurture others. Your sensitivity is a strength, let it guide you to new growth. May your year be filled with laughter and love, and the fulfillment of your dreams. Let's take a look at what Mother Nature has in store for us across India today. We'll be covering the major regions, giving you a heads up on what to expect, from temperature ranges to potential rainfall. Understanding the weather patterns can really help you plan your day effectively, whether you're heading to work, planning a trip, or just relaxing at home. So, let's get started and see what's brewing in the atmosphere. North India. Expect hot and dry conditions to prevail. The sun will be intense and temperatures will be soaring. It's going to be a scorcher, folks. To combat the heat, remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Opt for light, breathable cotton clothes to keep cool and comfortable. And most importantly, avoid direct exposure to the afternoon sun, especially during peak hours. Seek shade whenever possible to prevent heat stroke and sunburn. Your health and well-being are paramount in this weather. Moving to the east and northeast, we're looking at monsoon showers and high humidity levels. The rains will bring some relief from the heat, but be prepared for sticky conditions. When venturing out, be sure to carry an umbrella or raincoat to stay dry. Exercise caution on the roads, as they may become wet and slippery due to the rain. It's also a good idea to eat light, easily digestible foods during the monsoon season to avoid any digestive issues. Stay safe and enjoy the refreshing showers. In the west, specifically Mumbai and the coastal regions, expect a cloudy sky with the possibility of light rain. The humidity will be quite high, making it feel warmer than it actually is. Back in Rajasthan, the weather will be very hot and dry. It's crucial to stay cool and protected from the scorching sun. Find ways to keep yourself comfortable, whether it's staying indoors, using cooling devices, or seeking shade. Now let's head down south to Bengaluru, Chennai, and Hyderabad. The weather here will be pleasant, with partly cloudy skies. There's also a chance of a refreshing evening shower, which should provide a welcome respite from the day's heat. So, enjoy the lovely weather, but remember to take simple precautions to ensure your comfort and health. Whether you're planning outdoor activities or simply relaxing, being mindful of the weather conditions will help you make the most of your day. Wherever you may be in India, it's important to adapt to the day's mood and stay safe, no matter the weather conditions. Being aware of your surroundings and taking necessary precautions will help you navigate any challenges that the weather may present. Remember, a little preparation can go a long way in ensuring your comfort and safety. Check the forecast regularly, plan your activities accordingly, and be prepared for any unexpected changes in the weather. Let the weather inspire gratitude for the incredible variety of nature's offerings. From the scorching deserts to the lush rainforests, India's diverse landscapes are a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. So stay comfortable, stay blessed, and appreciate the unique weather patterns that shape our lives. Make the most of today's climate wherever you are in this beautiful and diverse country. Embrace the weather, adapt to its challenges, and find joy in the simple moments it brings. Today, Venus and Mercury create a harmonious energy for love and communication. Speak from the heart with clarity. This is the perfect day to resolve misunderstandings and strengthen bonds. Express appreciation to loved ones, collaborate at work, and share creative ideas. Beautify your surroundings or wear something that lifts your spirit. Avoid overthinking. Let the positive flow guide your interactions. Be genuine and sincere in all you do. Let your words build bridges, not walls. Trust the ease and harmony these planets bring. Use this cosmic gift to connect deeply and communicate kindly. Here are your do's and don'ts for a harmonious day. Do start with gratitude. Think of 3 things you're thankful for. Do communicate honestly and express affection. Trust your intuition, especially in relationships. Collaborate at work and present your ideas confidently. Take time for self-care and listen with empathy. Don't gossip or dwell on negativity. Don't overthink or hold grudges. Today is for forgiveness. Avoid impulsive spending and perfectionism. Double-check your work and pay attention to details. Don't compare your journey to others. Yours is unique. Move through the day with faith, courage, and kindness. Timing matters. Today, avoid important new tasks during Rahu Kal, 10:30–12:00. Use Shubha Chogadiya, 7:15–8:55 a.m., Labh, 1:55–3:35 p.m., and Amrit, 3:35–5:15 p.m. for key activities. The moon in Scorpio sharpens intuition and deepens emotions. Trust your instincts. This is a powerful day for research, honest conversations, and embracing change. Face your fears and let go of what no longer serves you. For focus and positive energy, face north or east while working. Small shifts in timing and direction can bring big results. Let ancient wisdom guide your actions. Align with the cosmic flow for harmony and success. These simple secrets are yours to use. Make today count. If today feels heavy, know you're not alone. The universe sees your struggle. It's okay to feel down. These moments are part of growth. Be gentle with yourself and take one small step forward. Try this calming mantra, Om Shanti Om. Invite peace into your heart. Celebrate small victories no matter how minor. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Trust that challenges will pass and new hope will rise. You are stronger than you think. Ganesha's blessings clear your path, one step at a time. You are loved, and brighter days are ahead.